Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the epoxy frogs using our brand new Epoxy Mini Kit Frog Edition. The kit comes with everything that you need, including the epoxy and all of the fun accessories, so let's get started. We're going to dust the inside of our molds using our pigment brush and our chrome pigment powder. This is not mica powder, it's a special kind of powder that goes on similar to butter, so it's really smooth and it sticks to the mold really well. You can find those in the shop under premium pigment powders, but this is a green one that comes with the kit. So we're going to dust everywhere, including inside the little phalanges, inside the head, inside the bottom, everywhere around the sides to make sure it's coated really well. If there's excess powder, just give the top of the mold a tap just to get rid of that and make sure that there's none bunched up in there. Next up, we want to glove up because we are going to be mixing our epoxy and using our UV resin. If you decided to get the project add-on kit that had the little eyes in it, I'm going to show you how to put them inside this little mold that you got for free. And that way, when you pour your epoxy, it's going to lift those eyes out. So we are going to position the eyes exactly where we want them, right inside the little holes where the eyes would belong inside the mold. And I just bend the mold like this to make it easier to insert those. Tweezers help a ton. Next, we're going to take our original formula and we're just going to do a little tiny bit. We don't need a lot. This is only to hold those in place until we get this epoxy poured. I'm using my pocket lamp to secure those down. Only takes about 10 seconds for the cure, so super fast. And then we are going to mix our epoxy. So I'm using the Perfect Pour Bubble-Free Edition, and this is going to use about 150 mLs. So we're going to do 75 mLs of the A, and this is mixed equally by volume, so we are going to do 75 milliliters of B. Once you get that poured, then we are going to stir that up for 2 to 3 minutes until our epoxy looks very clear. We want it to look just like water. And if you're worried about any of the bubbles, don't worry, they continue to release even after the pour. So you're not going to have any imperfections in your pieces when you're done. You're going to add your glitter. It can be any glitter. We include some in the kit, but you can choose whatever you would like. I go heavy on the glitter because the darker the resin is, the better your results are going to be inside your mold. Go ahead and pour the epoxy in slowly until it levels out everywhere. I went ahead and dusted my mini frog mold too. If you want to do that, you feel free to do so. And you want to top them off so that it looks level all the way across all the feet and the body together. So give it a couple minutes to level out perfectly. Once it is completely level and everything looks good, you're going to let this sit for about 24 hours before you take it out of the mold. And then once you start taking it out of the mold, just be careful around the feet. But here is the end result. These are so cute and so fun to make. Look how beautiful this turns out. We have so many different pigment powders and so many possibilities with this kit. You'll be able to cast several frogs. And this is how the one with the little eyes turned out. And he is so cute. And there are so many different options with this, you guys. So I hope that you'll give this kit a try. It is a lot of fun. Be sure to check out all of our other crafting kits and tutorials. We'll be back soon with another fun resin art tutorial.